The crypto world is buzzing about WLFI, World Liberty Financial, a new digital token tied to the Trump family. WLFI is the governance token for a DeFi voting protocol, backed by the Trump brand. Major exchanges like Binance and Bybit launched WLFI futures, implying a $40 billion valuation. The official token unlock is set for September 1st. Everyone's watching to see if WLFI's price will match the hype. The project aims to build a full DeFi ecosystem. The Trump connection brings a massive audience. The next few weeks will set the tone for WLFI's future. Will it live up to the buzz? We're about to find out. To gauge WLFI's price potential, you need to understand its supply. There will only ever be 100 billion WLFI tokens, a fixed cap. At launch, just 5 billion tokens will circulate, with the rest locked. This staggered release prevents a massive first-day sell-off. Early investors get 25 billion tokens, but only 20% unlock at launch. The rest, plus team and founder allocations, remain locked and subject to community votes. This structure builds trust and stability. A Trump-linked entity holds 22.5 billion tokens, with Donald Trump personally allocated 15.75 billion, worth over $6 billion at early futures prices. These large, locked holdings reduce immediate supply and could support the price. The Trump family's stake ensures their attention and backing. Scarcity, lockups, and high-profile holders all shape WLFI's market dynamics. The real test comes when those first 5 billion tokens hit the market. That's when we'll see how supply and demand play out. What could WLFI's price mean? With 5 billion tokens, a $1 price puts WLFI at a $5 billion market cap, top 30 in crypto. At $2, it's $10 billion, pushing into the top 20. A $4 price rivals Cardano and Dogecoin. That's why investors are watching the launch price so closely. A strong debut could spark hype and demand. All eyes are on day one. WLFI wants to break into the crypto top 10. It needs a $30 billion market cap, about $6 per token. Some predict $8, $10 per token, putting WLFI ahead of ADA and DOGE. ADA has tech and research. DOGE has culture and community. WLFI's edge is the Trump brand and global audience. The top 10 is exclusive, but WLFI could be a real contender. Will WLFI rise to the challenge? WLFI's bullish momentum comes from a perfect storm of factors. The Trump brand brings instant recognition and a ready-made community. Launching in a bull market with Bitcoin and Ethereum at highs amplifies the hype. Investors are hungry for the next big thing, and WLFI fits the bill. Anticipated Fed rate cuts could inject more liquidity into risk assets like crypto. WLFI isn't just a meme, it has a roadmap: DeFi protocol, stablecoin, loyalty program. Serious investors see real utility and long-term potential. The timing, brand, and product vision create a potent mix. That's why so many are betting big on WLFI's launch. The optimism is palpable, but can it deliver on the hype? We'll know soon enough. Is WLFI just another meme coin? Not quite. While it has hype, WLFI is designed as a serious DeFi infrastructure token. Its core is a DeFi voting protocol. Holders use WLFI to vote on platform decisions. This governance model gives the community real power and a stake in the project's future. Beyond voting, WLFI plans to launch a stablecoin, USD1, pegged to the US dollar. Stablecoins are essential for DeFi, providing a stable medium of exchange. WLFI's ecosystem aims to be self-sufficient and useful, not just speculative. A loyalty program is also in the works, rewarding users for active participation. This could drive adoption and retention, making WLFI more than just a token to trade. Real utility, governance, stablecoin, rewards, sets WLFI apart from typical meme coins. The project's vision is ambitious and practical. If executed well, it could become a DeFi powerhouse. That's what makes WLFI more than just hype. Despite the excitement, WLFI comes with real risks. The futures price is just a bet. The real spot price could be much lower or higher. Expect extreme volatility when trading begins. Price swings will be wild. Only invest what you can afford to lose and use risk management tools. Trump's massive token allocation is locked for now, but future unlocks could create selling pressure. The political connection brings both attention and regulatory risk. WLFI could face intense scrutiny from regulators, especially given its high-profile backers. Crypto regulations are evolving fast. New rules could impact WLFI overnight. The project's greatest asset, its Trump link, is also its biggest liability. Investors must weigh the potential rewards against these risks. Do your own research and stay cautious. The opportunity is big, but so are the risks. Enter with eyes wide open. A Coinbase listing could be a game-changer for WLFI. Coinbase is a top US exchange, and its Coinbase effect often sends token prices soaring. Tokens listed there have historically seen huge price jumps in days. WLFI is already on the Coinbase watch list, fueling more speculation. If listed, WLFI would gain massive exposure to retail and institutional investors. Coinbase favors infrastructure tokens with proven demand. WLFI fits the bill. The political controversy could be a hurdle, but the potential upside is huge. Even the possibility of a listing is driving bullish sentiment. If it happens, it could be the most important event for WLFI's price. Legitimacy and accessibility would skyrocket. The market is watching for any hint of news. WLFI is the crypto world's center of attention for good reason. The Trump connection brings unprecedented marketing power. WLFI aims to be more than a meme, with real DeFi infrastructure and utility. The timing is perfect. Hot market, potential Fed rate cuts, and investor appetite for new projects. Bold predictions abound, with hopes WLFI will debut among the top 20 coins. Risks are real volatility, regulation, and political scrutiny. But the potential rewards are just as significant. A Coinbase listing could add rocket fuel to the launch. September 1st is the day to watch. WLFI could be one of 2025's biggest crypto stories. As always, do your own research and invest wisely. For now, WLFI is the one to watch. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crypto insights.